Hello guys, how are you? I'm Mehdi. Welcome to my channel. We want to learn Evolve 1 book together, step by step. There's no need to be worried. I'm here to teach you lots of things in this book, and we should learn lots of things from this book. And after that, we go to the Evolve 2 and go to the next level. When you finish this level, you're gonna learn, you're gonna speak, you're gonna introduce yourself completely. Just practice and practice and practice. English is nothing. Just by concentrating and focusing on this topic, this language is really lovely international language, and most of people in this on earth speak in English. And if you want to communicate with lots of people, you should learn English, guys. Let's learn it together. Without any further ado, let's learn new thing, introduction part together, guys. The first part we have, guys, is let me find a pencil. Yes, the first part we have is a classroom language, guys. The conversation between students and a teacher. We should discuss about it and know about it. What we should know about the classroom language, guys. The first thing you should know is obviously hi and hello. Hi used for a formal. It's an informal language when you want to communicate with your friends in the class. The first thing you should say is hi. If you want to say hello, it's so informal. You should say that to your teacher, guys. It's really totally respectful conversation between you and teacher should be happen, guys. Yeah, and yeah, and about the first part is hi and hello. Hi used friendly and hello used formally, guys. Yeah, and the second one is what's your name. It's just a question from for greeting, guys. You want to know about the name of your friends that you meet recently. And yeah, this is the second question. Actually, this is the second sentence we should discuss about it. What is your name? The person wants to know about your name, guys. Next one is my name. You want to answer. You reply. Your friends ask you, what's your name? You're gonna reply that, yes, isn't it? My name is. You're gonna write here. What is your name? You should just write your name here, guys. My name is Ali. My name is Mehdi. Yeah, you should write just this, guys. And this is your answer. My name is Mehdi. Actually, my answer. Yeah, let's go to the next one, guys. The next sentence is this is my class, guys. You want to introduce your class and describe your class to your friends. Yeah, this is my class. You can use this sentence, guys. The next one is this is my partner. Obviously, you have a partner in a class and you want to describe him or her, and yeah, you just want to introduce him to your another person ask about your, or just want to introduce him to another person, guys. Yeah, and about the next sentence is this is my teacher. Yeah, these sentence, guys, is talking about introduction part and introducing part. We can say that. Yeah, this is my class. First one, this is my partner, and this is my teacher. You're just introducing your these people's partner, teachers, and class to someone that asks you. Yeah, and about the next part we have, guys, ask for help, guys. What's the meaning of that? Ask for help. Imagine you are in the class, you got some question from your teacher. You don't know understand about the topic. about you got a question in the class. Why should I ask? How should I ask a question in the class, guys? As a student, the first thing you should know about it is, I don't understand, teacher. Can you explain it to me? Yeah, you can ask these kind of question. First, raise your hand and say, I don't understand. Yeah, say that. I don't understand. Yeah. The next one is, I have a question. I have a question. The next question, the next sentence you can ask from your teacher is, I have a question, teacher. Can I say? Yeah, this kind of question you can ask from your teacher, guys. The next sentence is, actually the next question is, how do you say? Imagine you don't know how do you pronounce a sentence in English. How do you say that? And the question, it's talking about, imagine you don't know about the word, the meaning of that in English, guys. You can ask this way, guys. How do you say this word in English, guys? Imagine you are a Persian guy, you are a Persian or Spanish, any nationality you have. You just ask, you can ask anything you want, guys. Just you can say, how do you say like kitab in English, guys? You can write this word here and the teacher gonna reply you. We can say book in English. Kitab means book in English. Yeah. Yes, the next one is, yeah, what does it mean? You should write it. What does it mean? Yeah. And when you ask, how do you say kitab in English? It might be your teacher doesn't know about that language, or maybe know about it, and it might be asking you, what does it mean? And you're gonna reply, it means something else. Yeah, it means book in English, kind of things. Yeah, totally understandable. What does, you should write here, what does it mean? We're gonna discuss about the subject, about the next part of this unit, guys, about unit 1. This part is a zero part. It's just about the introduction part. We talked about how we can ask a question, how we can reply to a question and answering, and this kind of how we can greeting for the first time we meet with someone. Yeah, this kind of things, guys. And the next one is, how do you spell? How do you spell? What should I write here? How do you spell that, guys? You can ask this question from your teacher again. You don't know anything about that word, about a spelling. You want to know about the dictation of that word, but you don't know. You must ask from your teacher. Oh my goodness, how can I ask it? I don't know anything about that English. Yeah, and you can start with, how do you spell that? Yeah, how do you spell that? You can use or add some tasty words. How do you spell that word, guys? Yeah, this is the answer for this part, guys. The next question you can ask is, can you repeat that, please? Say that. Repeat after me. Can you repeat that, please? And this is another question for knowing about the word, about the grammar, about the vocabulary, and anything you don't understand very well. Oh my goodness, I don't know anything about that word. What should I do now? I should ask a question from my teacher. Oh, what's a sentence? What's a question? I cannot make a sentence. And this is for you guys. This question is for you. You should start with, can you repeat that please, teacher? Yeah, and this kind of, and you add a teacher, just wanna respect the teacher and totally respectful sentence. Yeah. And about the last question here about asking for help, guys, you should use sorry, what page? Imagine you missed a page, actually exactly page that you missed, and the teacher is talking about it. You want to know about that page, and you just ask, sorry, what page? What page? Yeah, this kind of. And this part, guys, is related to a teacher, guys. A teacher might tell you in the class, guys. The first thing is, I'm your teacher. Yeah. The first one is, yes, obviously, you just want to introduce him or herself to you. I'm your teacher. Yeah. I'm Mehdi. I'm your teacher, guys. Let's learn new things. Yeah. And I'm using that sentence to you. The second sentence is, after introduction part, when you see the teacher and you greeting with him, and you can heard, obviously always heard about it, open your book, and we should start this book together. Please, guys, open your book. You're gonna hear these words from your teacher, guys. And close your book is just after finish the class, at the end of class, the time of the class over, and the teacher tell you, yes, guys, close your book, you can go. Or close your book, we have a listening part, you should listen carefully, guys. Yeah, close your book. And the last, no, the next sentence a teacher might tell you is, go to page 101. A teacher might tell you this sentence too, guys. Yeah, go to page 101. If you go to some classes in English, always and absolutely you hear that sentence, guys. Yeah. And about the next sentence and the last one is, it's a question, guys. And always a teacher, after explaining grammar, vocabulary, the meaning of vocabulary, always ask this question from you guys. Do you have any question? This is the last actually sentence or question a teacher might use in the class, guys. Now we have some pictures here. Listen. You can listen words with your ear, guys. You can say something by raising your hand. You can read a book, and you can write, guys. You can watch a video, and these are just two signs for working pairs. Working pairs means working together. Two people work together. And working groups mean more than two people work together, guys. Yes, this is the page introduction part, guys, for this book. Now you have learned completely about this introduction part. And first we learn how to greeting here, how to greeting with our friends, guys. And second, we learn how can ask a question from our teacher when we have a question, guys. And then we learned a teacher, what kind of sentence or question a teacher might tell you in the class, guys. This is the introduction part, and thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next video, guys. The next video we will work on unit 1, guys, together. I am. For now, guys, peace out. Bye bye.